Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be encrypting strings. Now first of all, what I've done here is I've created an array called encrypted string. Now that is an empty array. I've created my first subroutine called encrypt string. I've typed in the print command and typed in enter string to tell the user to enter a string into here. Then I've chomped the new line and I've created a scalar variable called str, which means string, and I've assigned it to stdin, which is standard input. So this will get the input that the user types in up here. Now I've created a variable called str string and I've matched it to this here. So this is what's going to be doing the encryption. This is what we call the Cipher. So this will encrypt it. Then what I've done is I've pushed the string into the encrypted string array up here. And then what I've done here, I've used the print command to print out the encrypted string. Now we're going to decrypt the string. So I've created the print command and decrypting string. We've used sleep to pause it for 1 second, and then we're going on to the for each loop to loop through, and we typed in entry and encrypted string, which will be here in the array. Now the entry has been assigned to this, which again is the Caesar cipher, and this will decrypt the string in the array. And then what we're going to do is we're going to print out the entry. So down here I've typed in encrypt string to call this subroutine, and once that's finished I've typed in decrypt string here, which will call this subroutine. So let's run it now. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's type in a string. Okay, so this is a string. Hit enter. Okay, so what's happened here, it's encrypted it. So this is the string that's been encrypted, and then we've decrypted the string back to this is a string. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope it's been helpful. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.